Hey kitty cats, so these are sweet potatoes that I have peeled, cut up and cooked. Those brown spots are not, they're just like when you peel, sometimes there's brown spots, it's just bruising. It's not a big deal. I know you're probably concerned, but there's no reason to be concerned. So I'm going to mash these up, or actually puree them, using a hand beater, if I can get out. And of course, now I can't find something. There we go. Okay, with butter, white sugar, milk, eggs, and vanilla. And then I'm just gonna use the hand mixer to mix it all together, and I'll show you what it looks like when that's done. You'll see, it's not a big deal. Now you can see this is all mixed. There are little tiny chunks of butter in there, but that's all gonna melt when it cooks. So no big deal. Also, it's fine. If you want to melt the butter before you put it in, that's fine too. But it's going to melt as it cooks anyways, and it's just going to be delicious. So yeah, you layer, sorry, my washer, there's something in it that's not, you know, if stuff gets lopsided in there and it starts like making noise. Please stop. Okay, so here is the sweet potato layer, and then on top of it the streusel, and then you're going to do another layer of the sweet potatoes, and then some more streusel on top, and that's all there is to it. And then you just put it in the oven for 325 for an hour is what the original recipe calls for, but every year I put it in for 350 for like 30 minutes, and it's been fine. So there you go.